you own a home or are trying to buy a home in Orange County, I've got the latest market data, so stay tuned if you want to know how the higher interest rates are affecting the direction of home values as we wrap up the year. As the holidays approach, real estate sales tend to slow down, and this year is no different. Take a look at the sale price to list price ratio. This ratio reflects what percentage of asking price a home sells for. When the ratio is higher than 100%, that means that homes are, on average, selling over full price. You can see that in the last couple of months, the ratio has dropped from 101% to 100%, which means we're seeing fewer homes selling significantly over asking. But it also means that on average, homes are selling at asking price, so buyers looking for big discounts are likely to be disappointed. If we take a look at supply and demand, we can see why there are fewer multiple offers right now. Our supply of homes is higher than it has been all year. Make no mistake, inventory is still way down year over year, nearly 25% lower than this time last year, and we're nowhere near the levels of inventory we're used to seeing in Orange County. That said, what's notable is that inventory increased nearly 7% at a time of year when it typically decreases. We usually see demand, which we're measuring today by the number of closed sales, start to decline in the fall, continuing through the end of the calendar year, and this year appears to be following that pattern. As you can see, for the last 2 months, demand is down from the summer highs, and barring a dramatic reduction in interest rates, hey, we can all wish for a Christmas miracle, right? Will continue to decline as the year ends. So we've got a small but notable increase in supply and a predictable decrease in demand, resulting in fewer multiple offer scenarios. How has this affected values in Orange County, you ask? Looking at the dollar per square foot stats, you can see we've had a little tick down in the last couple of months, from an average high of $700 a square foot down to $680 per square foot. It's not a huge drop, just about 3%, but it's definitely reflective of a slight softening. So sellers will need to make sure that they're aware of the market trends in their neighborhoods, and buyers will need to recognize that while there may be a little wiggle room on price, it's certainly not the big price reduction many were hoping for. So there you have it. Heading into the final stretch of 2023, we're seeing a slowdown typical of this time of year. Keep in mind that Orange County is a large area. There are more than 30 cities, and there are market trends that play out differently from city to city, as well as from price range to price range. Making the best real estate decisions requires having the most up-to-date data. So if you're planning to buy or sell, reach out to us for a custom market analysis.